Good morning, children. So today we are continuing chapter 2 only. So in the previous class, in the previous video, I had explained you what is GUI. I said you GUI is graphical user interface. It is a type of interface by which user interact. So when user is interacting with computer, it need an interface, the middle part, that is known as operating system. An operating system allows us to interact in two different ways. The first way is CUI, character user interface, which is very tough because we have to remember lots of commands. We work with computer only on the basis of commands. So another which is very easier and even you can say is very useful in today's time, that is graphical user interface. It is useful because we can see what we are doing. It helps us to understand what we are doing, what is the input, how it process, and what is the output. Easily it is clear in GUI, graphical user interface. So children, I have even told you how to start the computer, how to on the computer. So when the computer get on, the first screen you see in computer is, see here, I'm just drawing this one. So this is known as desktop, and you'll get a small icons. This is known as icons. The long horizontal bar is taskbar, and the background you get, that is a wallpaper. So this is the most common and you can say the essential components of desktop when computer gets on. Now today's our topic is taskbar. So first let me tell you, taskbar one side means here you get a start button, and other side you get is a date slash time, and the middle part you get is the active window. Okay, so children, I'm just not writing your points. So taskbar, the first point you get is a start button, second point you get is the date time, and the third point you get is a active window. So start button is a very useful component of taskbar. Start button tells that what are the component installed in a computer, what are the software installed in a computer, what are the application installed in a computer, what are the menus and sub menus are there which are useful to us. Everything are present inside the start menu. Start name is only indicating that you have to click this one for proceeding your work further. Even to off the computer, the shutdown option is available inside a start menu. So start menu is the most important part of computer. You can access computer icon, you can access document, music, pictures, in fact everything whatever you want to access from the computer, you have to click on start menu. Okay, so children, from start menu, the basically most important component, let us highlight that. First one you get is a shutdown to off the computer. Second one you get, that is all program, which contain list of all the necessary program installed in a computer. And thirdly children, you get control panel option also. Control panel is which control the system setting of computer, maybe keyboard setting, mouse setting, monitor setting, everything's all installed inside the start menu. So children, date or time you get on the other side of the taskbar, that is date or time. Date or time indicates that a present date, current date, as well as the current time. Okay, you can even make a changes by clicking here, and you can change the date and time accordingly if it is showing mistake. And the third one, that is the active window. Whatever program you open, say paint you have opened, say word you have opened, that active window icon will be displayed here in a taskbar as a middle section. So children, taskbar contain these three different things. As in a desktop, three major component: icons, wallpaper, and taskbar. Except this, some additional components are also available. You'll find some icons here known as gadget. You'll get gadget. Gadgets are available from Windows 7 and above. When Windows 7 operating system was launched, along with that, gadget one feature was also open. Gadgets are small programs. They are bigger than icons. Maybe calendar you can get, okay, maybe calculator, maybe images, okay. So children's, maybe clock you get. So gadgets are attractive features which are used to decorate the desktop. So after gadget, the next feature also is available, that is known as screen saver. So children, what is a screen saver? So when you leave the computer idle for some time, if you don't touch, just simply your computer is lying idle or static, you'll find that after certain time, maybe after 1 minute, after 1 seconds, okay, you'll find some text are simply rotating, moving, or maybe the bubbles are displaying, maybe the pictures are displaying one after another's, after removing all the icons and all. Simply a black screen with multiple decorative things. That is a screensaver. Screensaver does not utilize electricity that time. It simply are used to display when your computers are idle for certain periods. So children, for decorative gadget and screensaver are there in our computers. So did you got children, in a desktop, what are the major components? Once again I am saying, in a desktop you get icon, wallpaper, screensaver, gadget, taskbar. Taskbar contains start menu, date time, and window, active window, that's middle sections. So understood children? So now you can see this one properly, so that we can move to the next topic. Let's move to the next topic, that is safe mode versus normal mode. Children, sometimes there is a situation when computer asks to you that whether to start computer with normal mode or safe mode. So what does this safe mode means? Safe mode means computer gets on with limited color, with limited features, limited icons, limited functions. Whereas normal mode is the mode in which we do the work. Then what is the use of safe mode? Why we need to run this one? It is also known as diagnostic mode. That means to troubleshoot the computer, whether our computer is good or not good, whether our computer is working properly or not properly, whether functions of each devices, each applications are in proper order or not. To check these things, to on the computer, when computer does not on or gets on normally, that time we need safe mode. So safe mode is very useful part of computer. It display the computer but with limited graphics. Maybe some graphic is disturbing, that's not letting computer to get on. Safe mode makes it side and makes the computer get on and get ready to do work. So it is not necessary that every time you have to on computer with safe mode. Sometime when you face the problem, when your computer is not starting normally, in such situation, in such cases, you can on the computer with safe mode. And normal mode is the mode in which we do work, that is normal mode, with all the graphic, all the options. So children, this is our chapter 2. In this chapter, what we have learned is, you have learned about operating system. So once again I am saying, operating system is an interface between us and user, computer. If operating system is not there, we will be unable to interact, to communicate, to work with computer. So operating system gives us a platform in which we put our application, we install our application, we install our softwares, and we do the work. Even if you are playing a games, you need an operating system. If operating system is not there, you cannot install the games, you cannot play the games. Children, not only computer or laptop, they need an operating system. Even our mobile phones, Android smartphone. Why Android are called? What is Android? Android is an operating system. It is for mobile. Okay, children, that's why we can install so many application apps from Play Store. Okay children, so even this WhatsApp in which you are seeing this video, that's WhatsApp is an application which is only available in Android or Windows or Mac phones, because they need an operating system. In keypad phone, can you install this one? No, because that operating system is CUI, character user interface, does not support all the graphics. So the operating system which support all the graphics, in that operating system only you can install the applications. So when we talk about interface, CUI and GUI, which one is more important? Which one is more useful? Which one is more convenient? Obviously GUI. So what is the full form of GUI? Graphical user interface. Graphical user interface are all the windows which we use. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. These all are the example of an operating systems. Graphical user interface. And command user interface, that's character one, where we have to type each and every characters. Okay, you can say command user interface or character user interface, both are same. Okay, doesn't matter. So this one is DOS, disk operating system, which is the olden type of operating system, nowadays only used for troubleshooting, means for maintaining the computer hardware. So children, did you understood this part? Okay, so I'll be giving some homework also, and I hope that previous chapter, means chapter 1 also, homework whatever I have given, that you have completed in your copy. So in the same way, chapter 2 also, all the question answers, match the following, fill the blanks, whatever will be given, you should do in your copy, so that when school gets reopened, I'll be rectifying that, I'll be checking that. So stay home, stay safe. Okay children. So Juliet, your homework from this chapter, that is chapter 2, is given here. Your work is to write this in your copy. Multiple choice question, fill in the blanks, true, false. This you have to do by yourself. Only question answer I have given. So see children, your first exercise. Multiple choice question. Number 1. Windows is developed by Dash Corporation. You have to name the company who developed Windows. Your options are Pentium, Microsoft, Parley. Question 2. Dash is the process of loading the operating system into the computer's memory. Options are starting, booting, executing. Question 3. Dash are mini programs on the desktop. Number A, taskbar, B, calculator, C, gadgets. Question 4. Dash is the diagnostic mode of Windows. Normal mode, safe mode, none of these. Here for each question there are 3 options. 1 is correct, 2 is wrong. You have to take the correct answer. See children, your next exercise. Number B, it is fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Operating system is the dash of a computer system. So what is operating system? It is a dash of a computer system. You have to fill that. Computer can arrange the icons itself in the dash option is selected. Dash is present on the left of the taskbar. You can find help for any program using the dash option. You have to fill the dash with appropriate word. Third exercise, answer the following. Question 1. What is desktop background? Answer. The background picture of Windows desktop is called desktop background. Question 2. What is displayed on the system tray? Answer. It displays the current date and time. It displays the current date and time. Question 3. How do you select the non-adjacent icons on the desktop? To select the non-adjacent icons, click the first icon to be selected. Then hold down the Ctrl in the bracket Ctrl key and click on each of the icon to be selected. Question 4. What is an operating system? Give 2 examples. Answer. An operating system acts as an interface. It is like a manager, okay? Acts as an interface between user and the computer system. Example are MS-DOS and Windows. So fill in the blanks. Number 1 answer is manager. Question 5. How do you shut down a computer? Means off the computer. Answer. To shut down the computer, click the start button and then click the shutdown option. So children, everyone will write down this in your copy so that I will check when school gets reopened.